Hello guys, so today we will be continuing with our Python series. So in this series we will be learning how to navigate to Python docs. So this is my function print hello world. So but how we will understand like how this particular function works in Python. So what is a function? Function is suppose function is, you can take that something which takes an argument, and after taking an argument it works on that particular arguments and give a result. So print is a function. So we define function into Python using def, and here excuse me, we can see what all things are there. So this is basically documentation for Python print function. So values star means it can take any number of values. Then it takes a separator, like how to separate the values. Then it will take an end, and then it can take file and flush and other supported parameters, and it returns an any type. So print the values to a stream or to a sys out by default. Separator means string inserted between the values default and space. So this is basically documentation for Python. But if we want to go to the real documentation, so we have to go to this particular place, and on this particular website docs.python.org, the same place we downloaded Python. So this is on the same thing. We can go here and search Python, click on go, and here we can search for our, after searching the method which is Python, which is print. And in the print we can in detail read how this particular function works, and then we can try each of the parameters and see how it works. So for now, like hello world is there, we can try one more parameter, like adding how are you, and then we can try to run it. So hello world, how are you? Suppose there is a separator, we can add a separator also, and also. So this is how we can practice slowly and easily. So this is how it is, like separator is there, we can put a separator and all those things, and we can see how our print function works. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this video, and watch this whole course.